Hey. Yeah? Going for a sled ride. And your new sled. Yeah. It's snowing. Outside. It's all snowy. All snowy. So there is blue sky above us. It's still snowing. And Zephyr's out in it. Going for a sled ride. Yay! Having a good time. Aren't you, honey? Having a good time? Yeah. Yeah? You like the doggy? Oh, here comes the doggy to say hello. Oh, Jordy. Yes, Jordy. Okay. Say hello to everybody, Zephyr. Yeah. Okay, we'll go again. This is a great baby sled. Yes. Yep, and let Zephyr sit in it. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Oh, Jordy's getting excited. All trying to film and walk at the same time. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Hey, Zephyr, we're gonna go inside to get warm, huh? Yeah. Doggy. Oh, go. You want it to go? You want it to go? Yes, okay. Yeah. You want to go some more? Good. Yeah, you say hi? Jordy! Oh, come on, Jordy! Yeah? Hey, hey, hey. Come on, Jordy. You like going on your sled, huh? Alright, Zephyr, that's a long video. I say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.